Okay, students, in this video, I am going to explain Introduction to Exercise 2.2, Part 2. This is a very important part. Inequalities involving absolute value. You know what is absolute value? Mod x. Inequalities involving absolute value is what? Less than mod x, less than some value, or mod x greater than some value, or mod x less than or equal to some value, or mod x greater than or equal to some value. All these are known as the inequalities. See, previously you studied about equal sign, but here inequality means less than, அதோட கம்மி, greater than, அதோட அதிகம், less than or equal to, அதோட கம்மி, அது வரைக்கும், greater than or equal to, அதோட அதிகம், அதிகம். So like that 4 different cases might be there. Now we will discuss those 4 cases now. Listen carefully. Very easy one, it's not difficult at all. See, first one, mod x less than r. Okay, if and only if, then x lies between minus r and plus r. You see, basically it is true only, no? Because mod x definition is what? Minus x plus x. That's why minus r plus r. But we have to prove. It's very easy. First you take x values greater than or equal to 0. Mod x definition you know already. Mod x is equal to x when x greater than or equal to 0. Mod x is equal to minus x when x less than 0. Those two cases only we have to use here. That's it. See, case 1, x greater than or equal to 0. That means positive values. Then what is mod x? X. As per definition of absolute value. Now, mod x less than r means what? So, mod x equal to நம்ம என்ன substitute பண்ணிருக்கோம் x. அப்போ x less than r. x ஓட வேல்யூ r ஓட கம்மியா இருக்கணும். Okay, according to this case. You understand or not? When x greater than or equal to 0, that is a positive values, then definitely mod x is equal to x. Because that's for definition. Then, mod x equal to x means what? This fellow becomes mod x less than r becomes what? Instead of mod x, the actual you should put now. So x less than r. That is the case 1. So x less than r. Then case 2. What about the negative values of x? This is for positive values of x. But what about for negative values of x? When x less than 0, then mod x is equal to minus x. As per definition. So what this fellow becomes? Mod x less than r implies instead of mod x minus x. Minus x less than r. Now if you multiply with negative sign, inequality changes. That's what I told previous introduction part also. Students, you must cover the introduction part. That is very important. Okay. So minus x less than r means if you multiply the negative sign, this less than becomes greater than. So x greater than minus r. So if you combine these two, no, minus r I can write less than x also, correct only. Because a greater than b means b greater than a. அப்போ இது வந்து minus r less than x. Okay, then x less than r. இது ரெண்டு combine பண்ணா இந்த மாதிரி inequality change ஆகும். Minus r less than x for this fellow. That is the first part. Okay, for this fellow. Or the first part. This is the first part. This one. Okay, this one I can change like this now. Minus r less than x also. That's what I wrote it here. Then x less than r. So minus r less than x less than r. So x belongs to minus r comma r. Okay students. So that is your first one. First inequality. So what you should remember, when mod x less than r. Okay, x belongs to minus r comma r. Because it's less than, it's not equal to is there. Equal to means you should put closed interval. So minus r to r means what? In between minus r and r. For example, minus 2 less than x minus 7. So x belongs to what? Minus 7, 2 comma 7. That's it. So minus 2 comma 7 உள்ள இருக்குது values எல்லாம் வரும். 0 வரும், 1 வரும், 2 வரும், 3, 4, 5, everything will come. So that is the meaning of this interval. So very simple case. When mod x less than r, then minus r less than x less than r, or x x belongs to open interval minus r comma r. This you should remember. For one more purpose, it's very useful. But while solving the problems, we will use another method. Okay, students. Now, second one, mod x greater than r. Here, we less than r. Mod x value r ida kammiya irundha enna agum? X value. Adhe mari mod x greater than r irundha enna agum? So, when mod x greater than r, if and only if this is possible, x less than minus r and x greater than r. This one also you can write in internal notation like this. So, here also the same proof. First you should take this case, x greater than or equal to 0, then mod x is equal to x. Then what this fellow becomes mod x greater than r, x greater than r. That is your first case. But the second case, you can prove for negative values also, no? So x less than 0, what is mod x minus x? As per definition. Okay. So mod x greater than r means what? X mod x minus x for minus x greater than r. R minus x பார்க்கறதுக்கு அசைன்மென்ட் இருக்குன்னா you have to multiply with negative sign. So x less than minus r. X less than minus r. So இப்போ அது ரெண்டு கம்பைன் பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? அண்ணா நமக்கு இன்டர்வல் நோட்டேஷன்ல you can write very nicely. How? Listen carefully. How you will write interval case? Here itself I can write now. See here. First x less than minus r means what? X belongs to minus r comma minus r, minus infinity comma minus r, because negative side we are going. If you take the number line, for example minus 2, less than means up to minus infinity. You understand or not? So this is minus 2, less than means adu kuda kammi. So ni maximum minus infinity varku polam. Adunala x belongs to minus infinity comma minus r for this fellow. But what about this fellow? That is possible. Appo union ponum, union r comma infinity. This is for positive values. For example, inge 2 irukku. Idha 2 greater than 2 anna infinity varku neenga maximum polam. So adha combine பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி கிடைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. X belongs to minus infinity minus r union okay r comma infinity. So இங்க ரெண்டு கம்பைன் பண்ணும்போது தான் நமக்கு இந்த வேல்யூ கிடைச்சிருச்சு. minus infinity minus let me see the answer. Correct. Minus infinity minus r comma infinity for negative value as well as for positive value. So these two cases are very important, students. These two you should remember for one more purpose. Even for problems also you can use this one, but you will get little bit confusion. We will see another method to solve the problems. Only thing is, whenever modulus sign is there, use plus or minus, enough. Okay. Then automatically after simplification, this case only is going to lead either this one or this one. That's it. Okay, students. So these two cases are important. Based on two cases, another two more cases will come. That we will see now. What happens in mod x minus a, mod x plus a. Special cases will come. That I will tell in the next part. Okay, students. So very important. Only thing is you should remember this part very well. When mod x less than r, x value வந்து minus r க்கு நடுவுல இருக்கும். So minus r less than x less than r. Positive எடுத்தா ஒரு கேஸ் கிடைக்கும், நெகட்டிவ் எடுத்தா இன்னொரு கேஸ் கிடைக்கும். அது ரெண்டும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி நமக்கு ஆன்சர் வரும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா. In the form of this is a inequality, this is in the form of interval. Both are same only. Okay, this is like representation of inequality, this is interval representation. Then you can represent even the number line also. Three cases possible. So mod x greater than r. So x belongs to what? Negative value if we take minus infinity comma minus r union positive value r comma infinity. Okay, students. So that is the thing you should remember. Okay. The next, if you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Bye, students.